Oh man, connection lost. Wow.
Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I'm Mohammed.
And she is Honey. Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Let's get started. Please wash your hands. Ingredients are
6 tablespoons of grass-fed butter,
A third cup of peanut butter.
a pinch of pink Himalayan salt,
A half tablespoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract.
a cup and a third of almond flour,
A cup and a third of gluten-free rolled oats.
a half cup of organic maple syrup.
A cup and a half of raisins.
Make sure all the ingredients are at room temperature.
Whisk together the butter, syrup, vanilla, and salt.
Then mix in the peanut butter.
And add the flour, oats, and raisins.
Use your hand or a spoon to mix it all together.
Using an ice cream scooper, scoop the dough onto the parchment or aluminum sheet.
And flatten it out because it won't expand or change its shape in the oven. Pop them in the oven at 350 for 10 to 13 minutes.
Let them cool down before digging in.
We prefer old-fashioned rolled oats because it gives the cookies a bumpy texture and tastes better. And now to the alignment board! We're using all organic ingredients such as raisins, peanut butter, and syrup.
Does not need a food processor or any special equipment.
No need for eggs or milk.
We are substituting maple syrup for sugar because it's a natural sweetener and has a lot of nutrients.
We're also using almond flour instead of regular flour because it's healthier and has lower carbs. This week's shout-out goes to... Thank you for your support.
Bismillah! You can heat this the next day for a few seconds.
Best cookie ever.
and delicious in the world.
Amazing.
Help us make a difference in what kids eat by joining the SDH squad today. Subscribe, like, and share to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle, friends, and neighbors.
And hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads.
Tag SDH on Instagram whenever you make any of our delicious recipes. And as always, simple, delicious, and healthy.
You can heat this the next day for a few seconds.
Best cookie ever.
It's delicious and
Bismillah. You can store this in a mason jar or a Ziploc bag and take it out whenever. Bismillah. You can store this in a mason jar or a Ziploc bag and take it out whenever.
It's delicious, Aya.
It's very good. I have 3 words to describe this. Simple. Now to the limit board. Now to the...
Eat this the next day for a few